Hi, I'm Greg Wilson. I'm a field biologist here at the Honeywood Research Farm, Syngenta Research Farm located just outside of Plattsville, Ontario. I'm going to talk to you about white mold in soybeans. I'm going to go over some of the impacts it can have on soybeans as well as how that disease develops in the crop. White mold is probably one of the most devastating fungal diseases in soybeans when the weather is conducive for the growth of white mold. So what white mold is it's a fungal growth that gets into the plant, grows in the plant, and in the fall it produces sclerotia bodies that grow on the outside of the plant, falls off, lands in the soil, and can persist in the soil for up to 7 years. And it just sits there and waits for the right weather and the right crop to be growing in that field. Now, to get it growing, the weather has to be just right, and what white mold really likes is cooler, wet weather. So you need the soil to be saturated for at least 5 to 10 days. And then in that time, the sclerotia will produce fruiting bodies called apothecia. And then these apothecia, or small, tiny little mushroom structures, will release spores. And for the infection to actually occur, is those spores have to land on a flower petal on the plant. It infects the flower petal, and then the petal will fall off and land somewhere lower on the plant, like in a node where one of the trifoliates is branched off the main stem, and then that's where the actual infection gets into the plant. And it will grow up through the stem. It can completely girdle the plant. And the problem with it is if you get an infection really low on the plant, like for instance the first or second node, and it girdles the plant there, the rest of the plant will die off and you'll lose all of the yield in that plant. Now, that infection can happen anywhere in the canopy, but the most important area is that the first or second node, because then there's nothing you can do to stop it or to preserve yield.